Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 15th December 2025. Reliance Consumer Products is in advanced talks to acquire a majority stake in Udhaiyams Agro Foods. This company makes staples, snacks and ready-to-cook breakfast mixes. The deal is expected to be mid-sized. Reliance aims to tap into regional markets first before a national rollout. This strategy mirrors previous acquisitions. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is set to propose a clear division of responsibility between principal auditors of corporate groups and those auditing subsidiaries. This move aims to ensure financial statement quality and establish accountability. The recommendations will be submitted to the Corporate Affairs Ministry and the National Financial Reporting Authority. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India approved the revised Code of Ethics for Chartered Accountants that will give them more flexibility to advertise, among other things. The revised Code of Ethics, which will come into force from April 1st next year, will also enable CAs to render additional services such as forensic accounting, research analyst, social impact assessment and evaluation, artificial intelligence, etc. The revised Code of Ethics also includes new independence provisions like non-acceptance of audit work of a public interest entity where non-audit services have been provided to the same entity. In addition, the revamped Code of Ethics recommends CAs and firms to accept audit fees only through digital modes or banking channels. The central government has notified amendments to the Banking Regulation Cooperative Societies Rules 1966, introducing new definitions, procedures and revised forms to strengthen governance and streamline the removal and cessation process for directors in cooperative banks. A new definition of ineligible director has been inserted into the rules. SEBI has issued amendments to the Master Circular on Know Your Customer or KYC to streamline the re-KYC process for non-resident Indians or NRIs. The revision responds to industry feedback regarding practical challenges faced by NRIs when undergoing re-KYC due to location-based restrictions in digital onboarding and verification. Earlier, digital KYC procedures required clients to be physically located in India during certain verification steps. SEBI has now relaxed this requirement for existing NRI clients undergoing re-KYC through digital mode. India attracted $67.5 billion in US investments, highlighting deepening tech and economic ties. Google will build a $15 billion AI data center in Visakhapatnam. Microsoft will invest $17.5 billion in cloud and AI infrastructure. And Amazon pledged $35 billion through 2030 for AI, logistics and jobs. Tata Electronics and Intel announced $14 billion semiconductor venture, marking India's first large-scale chip-making facilities. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.